This is Tim here from Your Sick Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your Android phone without losing any kind of data. So if you are logged in and you know the password, this is very easy to do. So I have my Samsung phone and my Google Pixel here. Both are going to be a little bit different. So depending on the version you have, it might be easy or it might be difficult. So Google Pixel is a little bit more difficult than your Samsung here. But go to the top right and go to settings and scroll on down. And on your Samsung phone, all you want to do is go to where it says, well, you can go to General Management too. You can go to General Management, going down, and there's a reset option right here. And on here, you have the option to back up everything to the cloud. And on Samsung, you get unlimited storage for 30 days. So you can back it up, come here, go to Restore Data. Otherwise, you have the option for external storage backup. You can plug in a little USB drive. So if you got a USB-C to USB, you can plug in your external drive and you can back up everything to that, or even your SD card you have plugged in. So it makes it very easy to do. And then you just go to Factory Data Reset and then come back here and restore your data later on. Now if you got like a Google Pixel or a Motorola phone, it's going to be a little bit more complicated. We want to go on down to System, tap this, and I'm using Android 16 for this video. And then what we want to do is go on down to Reset. Now we do have the option to back up stuff. So what we want to do is go into here and we can go to Backup Now. And we want to do other device data, like call history and stuff. We can go to Back It Up right here. And this will back everything up to your Google account. Now I have photos and videos turned off because we don't have a lot of data on here. I think we only get about 15 gigabytes of data before it's going to send us emails asking us to buy a bunch of stuff. So we can do the photos and videos to one of these drives now if we don't want to lose those. Otherwise we can try backing it up on there. So just look at this. So you can see I only get 15 gigabytes used. But I can back up, my SMS, my text message, call history, apps and data, etc. under here. And then if I do have one of these devices connected, I can just connect it like this. I can go on over to Files, and I can just transfer all my videos and photos off of there. Or you can just transfer it over your computer too, which makes it easy, and then you can just retrieve it later on. So I should be able to see my storage device on here. Okay, good. And I can just go to all my different categories on here, images, downloads, etc. And what I can do is just tap on it, hold down on it, and there should be an option to select everything somewhere on here. On this phone it doesn't look like it. I have to go by each day and tap it all. Then we can go to the top right and we can go to Copy to or Move, Copy to Mass Storage Device, locate a folder, and you can copy it there. Okay? So you can create a folder on your USB device before you copy it over to. Otherwise, like I said, just, add it to your computer and then retrieve it later. So we got it backed up now. We can go back to the top right and we can look at this. It looks like it's backing up my data to the cloud. So we can go to System again. And once this is done, we can just go to Reset Options, Erase All Data, Factory Reset. So it's going to take a little bit of time, depending on what version of phone you have, whether it's Motorola, Samsung. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.